Hello, it is Friday. Friday. Oh gosh. Oh, Friday fit check. Stop, please. Ah. I just want to check the grass. You piss off, Rambo. Oh, not the fucking lights. Don't be.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Good morning, cows! This right here is why we don't crawl. Stand up. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Good morning. Oh, you found your moo. I heard my baby crying for help. I'm coming!
Did you get stuck, Pogo? Huh? Come here. Don't run away.
Feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Rosie, why? Why are you up there?
Goddamn. Oh Lord, sit up. Jesus.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side.
You got it. You don't got it.
I heard my baby crying for help. Stop it. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Put the goat down. Drop the goat.
Right now. Stop. Right now. Stop.
Whoa. Holy fuck. Because it looks like a sweet treat and it smells like a sweet treat. So I'm going to try it and just see if it is a sweet treat.
No.
Rosie, why? Why are you up there?
Yo, what the f-
Oh my god. Joey.
Stop. Stop it.
What you fucking da? I don't fucking nah. Yaranna yastara. Anarana.
Bah. Bah. Yeah.
Isn't it great? Chris! I know, it's my dream.
Cats in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know.
Ha ha ha!